And still on the corridors of justice, the 5-judge bench is to rule on whether they will recuse themselves from cases challenging the advisory by Chief Justice David Maraga to the President to dissolve Parliament. This is after a preliminary objection was raised, seeking to have the judges removed from hearing the cases.
The 5-judge bench comprising of Justice Lydia Achode, George Odunga, James Makau, Anthony Ndungu and Pauline Nyamwea are set to give a ruling on whether they will continue to hear a case challenging an advisory by the Chief Justice David Maraga to the President to dissolve Parliament. The bench directed all parties to file their submissions in 3 days and those willing to respond to do so in 2 weeks. The ruling is scheduled for the 18th of February 2021. Meanwhile, the President will remain part of the respondents in a case involving the failed appointment of the 41 judges. A 3-judge bench comprising of Justice George Dulu, Justice William Musyoka and Justice James Wakega ruled that cited that although he enjoys immunity, it does not bar him from participating in a civil or constitutional matter. The case will be mentioned on the 8th of February 2021. In the meantime, former Tetu Member of Parliament Ndungu Githinji has been charged with intent to deceive by forging minutes of a meeting of Kihingo Village Waridi Gardens Management One Limited on the 21st of November 2018. Appearing virtually before Chief Magistrate Martha Mutuku, Githinji denied the charges and was released on a cash bail of 20,000 shillings with an alternative bond of 100,000 shillings. 5 witnesses will testify in the case set to be mentioned in January 18th, 2021. Finally, Justice Mbogoli Msaga has allowed an application dated 30th of July 2020 to have the directors of Amaco disclose the assets of Amaco within 14 days from Wednesday, failure to which they'll be ordered to pay the balance of the amount 13 million shillings to Mama Ryle Memorial Foundation. For Channel 1 News, I'm Serafina Robe.